Hey guys, so this video, I was kind of hesitant to make. I was like, should I make it? I don't know. I've also been kind of lazy and kind of been slacking, so I was like, I don't know if I want to do it. But, I feel like it would be a good video. And honestly, it's gonna get a lot of dislikes. It's different than what I don't do. I'm not trying to make this video funny, no humor involved. And in case you guys haven't noticed, I have new braces on my mouth because I crack and I don't like speaking. But I just want to make a serious video like for once in my life. And just like talk about something that's been near and dear my heart. So, okay, that's so cheesy. I'm still gonna have the same YouTube account, but there are changes going on. So I'm creating a second account for you guys. It's called Everybody Has a Story. And basically, it's going to be where I take your videos, your ideas, your comments. If you even post them, you'll find out why. You'll get it later. And I'm also going to comment word encouraging stuff. No waiting funny videos. I'm also going to do like words like this, spoken words, stuff like that. Yeah, just to kind of encourage and lighten the mood. Because I feel like YouTube can be pretty depressing sometimes in life, or just a face that can suck. And yeah, YouTube, people are like, oh, it's positive, not really. Because there's so many haters out there, and when you think about it, YouTube is just a big place for people to hate on. And I don't like that. I mean, yeah, haters don't really bother me. As like, I got haters a lot on my other videos, but it didn't really bother me that much. Because, I mean, haters can hate all they freaking want to. I'm not gonna let them stop hating. Am I the one who's judged? No. So let's get into the video. So everyone has a story from the title. I've said that 3 times now, 2 times. I don't know. Everyone does have a story. Like my story is I had cancer. Different bad things happened to me. I would actually do a drama life or something to explain all of that. But just know I've had a pretty long and kind of sad story in my life. It wasn't normal. I've also had burns and scars and all this stuff, and I'll mention that. But everyone has a story. Regardless whether you have cancer, whether you had diabetes, whether you had brain tumor, whether you've had seizures, it doesn't matter. Whether you've kidnapped somebody, whether you are kidnapped, it doesn't matter. Everyone has a story. Maybe your story is small, maybe it's just not big, maybe nothing crazy happened, but everyone has a story. If you do not think you have a story, well, you just may not know your story yet. Or maybe it's not big enough to understand your story. Hasn't happened yet. And no, I did not script this because I thought it wasn't important enough. I just want to draw on my heart and say what it means to me. So, regardless of whatever happened, I just want to know I have a story, you have a story, you have a story, you have a story, a guy in China has a story, that guy in Japan has a story. Everyone has a story, whether you're 5 or you're 98. Yeah. So, everyone has a story. If you want to, like, say, oh, I don't have a story, or my story's not good enough, or nothing compares to some story, yeah, you're right. Just go to these Storm Powers, Draw My Life, or Microplayers. They have deep stories. They have really long and sad stories. I get it, okay? Some people have bigger stories than others, but everyone has a story. Here are 2 miracles. 1, you were born. 2, you made it this far. That is 2 miracles. You have had 2 incredible things happen to you. Whether or not you believe in God or whatever, something crazy has happened to you. You have been born, and you have lived this far. Have you thought about what is going on in your brain? Like how it takes this much for you to function and do normal stuff? Like have you seriously just thought about it one day and said, okay, why was I here? Or why am I like born like this? Why? That is like you're wondering. You don't know why, but you have a story. When you realize that, like why am I so complex, or why was I in front of here? Why not someone else? That's when your story comes to truth. Because only then do you know that you've had a story, or else they just want to have a reason to hide you. You know? Well, not your parents. I'm talking about something else. But your parents can have children, but not. Everyone has a story. Your story, you may not know it yet, and you may not be sure about what it is, but the minute you say, okay, why am I here, not someone else? Why is my body so complex? That is when your story is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Literally, every view will help me. Because, like, I want to make videos like this more. But I'm worried about, like, the views and whatever. You can hit this, like, all you want to. I don't care. I just want to get views. I want the world to see what I'm talking about. And if this gets 92 million dislikes, then let it get 92 million dislikes. I don't care. At least it's popular because it has 92 million dislikes. Like, I feel like this is more serious than Gangnam Style or Baby. And those videos are gonna get way more views than this could ever get. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, do it, favorite it, add to playlist, add to watch later, and I will see you guys whenever I upload another video, because I'm lazy and I probably won't upload a video for a while, but whatever. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.